Okay guys, this is the new benchtop table saw that I ordered from Laos. It's the new Kobalt 10-inch. And what's so special about this one is it's under $300 and you get a rack and pinion fence which gives it a lot more accuracy. The table saw I was previously using, you've seen in all my other videos, was the Ryobi, I think it was 8¼ inch. Or was it 10 inch? 8¼ inch or something like that, maybe 10 inch, I don't know. But that had one of the crappiest fences you can possibly get on a table saw. And one of the reasons I've never put a review on that is because I wouldn't really recommend it to anyone. Sure, you've got no money, you can pick them up for about $50 on Marketplace, but it's well worth spending the extra to get the features that this thing has got, believe me. Time to open the box. Okay, as soon as we open the box, guys, we've got the manual and we've got a set of Allen keys here. We'll find out what they're for in a minute. There we go. Here's our new table saw. It's actually quite a bit bigger than what I was expecting to be bigger. See what it's like. Oh. Now there's nothing else in the box. So the saw comes basically complete. I think the only thing we've got to add on to it is the fence, and we'll sort that out in a minute. Okay guys, that's what we're going from. We're going from the Ryobi and we're going to the Kobalt, which is a little bit bigger than what I expected it to be. But that's not a problem, we'll sort things out. Right, we need to put the fence up, and the way we're going to do that is we loosen this off here, and there's one on the other side, exactly the same. We loosen that one off, pull the fence back a little bit, and when it comes off there, flip it over, into there, like so. Okay guys, this is how I'm going to square up the fence. Make sure it's nice and square. Put the blade in there. I'm going to add it to there. That's it easy. Okay, so once it's there, tighten this nut up. Same on the other side. Tighten this nut up. Lock that in. Should be nice and squared. And just one more check on how we squared it up. I'll put that there, flush up against the mark there, flush up against the fence, and slide it along nice and even. There's no gap at all. It's perfectly aligned. Big difference to what I'm used to. It's all the stuff you get rid of, but guys, the mitre slot, anti-kickback device, guards, which I recommend you use. I'll probably use most of the time if I can. Oh, and a push stick. That's basically it, really, guys. It's all. It basically all comes together. So the only thing you've got to align is the fence and the blade. Make sure they're perfectly aligned, straight. The thing is, let's lower this down. To put the safety gear on, you probably have to raise the knife at the back. Oh, there's the lock there. All blind. Nice metal plate. Don't know whether you can see it back there, but let's get it. That lever down there. Don't worry guys, this is all unplugged. Pull that lever up there. There's a little lever here. We can pull that back to release the knife. Well, there we go. Usually you push them in. There we go, the knife pulls up. Lock it into place. Okay, let's lock back into place. Okay guys, this is how we put the fence on here. If you have a look there, where are we? You got a pin right at the back there, and that's kind of a pin there as well. That pin there slots into there. Take the lever up, that pin slots into there. There, like so. Pull that back, and we're locked in. There we go. This, you got the pin there, that pulls out, and it goes into that hole there. So what we do there, you pull the pin out. And that's your anti-lock system kicked into place.
And that's it guys, that's the Kobalt 10-inch saw with the rack and pinion fence. Big improvements on the Ryobi that I had. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, maybe subscribe, and maybe even leave a comment. Thank you, I'll see you again soon. There are some affiliate links in the description below for other tools that I use. If you want to go down and check them out, please do so. Anyway, have a good day. Bye bye.